Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable a simple but useful setting in Windows, allowing your controller to open the game bar. This is really helpful if you use a controller for gaming and want quick access without using keyboard shortcut. In step 1, open the Windows setting. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings, or just press Windows plus key on your keyboard. Once settings open, go to Gaming from left side menu. Now click on Game Bar. Look for the option that says Allow your controller to open Game Bar. Turn this option on. This is the settings that allow your controller button to open the game bar quickly. Now press the Xbox button on your controller. If everything is enabled correctly, the game bar should open instantly on your screen. This means it's working perfectly. If it doesn't work, check the controller is properly connected, USB or Bluetooth. Game bar is enabled in settings. Your Windows is updated. In that set, now you know how to enable controller access for game bar in Windows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.